Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, and I've got an exciting thing to talk to you about today. We have started, thanks to your support with our C&S Corvette shirts that you guys have been so generous with buying, we have actually started a line of custom designed shirts by a local artist named Thomas Beasley. He is a motorsports and car enthusiast, and his art is always focused around that stuff. He's a graduate of the Ringling School of Art here in Sarasota, and he has designed several t-shirts for us that we're going to be putting out over the next several months or the next couple of years. And I'm excited to tell you that today we have our first example of that ready, available for public consumption. And this is it. This is all 8 Corvette generations. These were all hand-drawn by Thomas, and that's the front end of all of them. And on the back, you see the C&S logo and the back ends of all of them. And we're really excited about this because no one else in the world has this design, because we commissioned the artist to do it. And I'm going to have some special shirts coming up in the rest of the year too that are going to be different colors with some of the more special cars throughout the years, like the 63, the 57. I've got a really cool 80s, like early C4 shirt coming out. But in the meantime, this is available on our website. Link is in the website. Link is in the comments section below. And the shirts are the same price as our regular C&S logoed shirts. It's $30.46 shipped anywhere in the United States. And you also get a beautiful C&S Corvettes window sticker for your car or for your toolbox, or you could slap it on your dog if they're not looking. I don't know, but you could use it that way. Again, thank you so much for your support on our previous t-shirts. These are a lot more unique, and there's going to be several versions of them, so I hope you support us this way too. Any questions, put it in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.